Okay, we're located right in the centre of Portsmouth, at the south of the High Street, opposite Portsmouth and Southsea train station. This is Dan, our front of house, and now I'm going to take you upstairs to look at one of our 576 beds. Now we're in our penthouse studio on floors 19 to 22. Every studio has its own kitchen. You have a fridge, freezer, a hob with an extractor hood, and then a combination microwave, grill, oven. Also up here, you have your study area, a nice big wardrobe, and then a small double bed. Up here on the 20th floor, we've got amazing views out over the Solent and looking at the Isle of Wight. And then every room has its own ensuite bathroom. Now we're in our 2-bed apartment plus room. So every room has its own front door and ensuite bathroom. And then you come through the room, you have your large wardrobe. Every room has its own fridge, freezer. And then study area and a small double bed. Then we come through this lockable door through to the shared kitchen. So you're sharing this room with one other room on the other side of this door. You have a hob with extractor hood, you have a combination microwave, oven, grill, and then space to store your pots and pans. Okay, now we're at our first floor communal area. There's several spaces to look at. We have first our newly refurbished gaming area. Here with a new big screen TV, an Xbox Series X and a Nintendo Switch. You can come down and grab the controllers at any time from reception and come up here and have some time gaming. We'll come through now to our cinema room. We have a 75-inch screen, we have a karaoke machine and lots of DVDs. We also have Sky Sports and Disney+. Our other reservable area is our party kitchen. In here you've got a great space, big dining table to have some celebrations with some friends. People often use it for birthday parties, but we also take over all the communal spaces for our events throughout the year. You also have a more substantial kitchen in here if you are cooking and entertaining for friends. And then we'll come back to the rest of the communal areas on the first floor. So we have lots of places to sit and study, lots of areas to relax. And this is our newest study area. We've set up some new tables and chairs, and you have a great view to watch the world go by, easy access power sockets, everything that you could need for a good day's study. Okay, this is our ground floor communal area. Here we have a vending machine where you can grab a quick snack or drink. We have our meeting room if you want a private space to study or meet with some friends. We have our flower wall where you can grab a quick selfie. And then through to our pool table and table football table. You can come and grab the pool balls and pool cues from reception at any time. And this is our gym, open 24 hours a day, free to use at any time. You can come down here and you can use the cardio machines, you can do some free weights, or you can use the rigging. It's a great space to have in the building. Everything in Portsmouth is within walking distance, but if you do want a bike, you can keep it stored in here. We have it covered by CCTV, and there's a back door so you can have easy access out to the street. Okay, this is our laundry room. So we have lots of washing machines and dryers. Everything's controlled via the Circuit app. So in reception, we have our mailboxes. Here you will receive any smaller parcels and letters. For any larger items, we scan them into our system. You receive an email with a QR code and you can come and securely sign them out. Thank you.